Welcome to Kamin Bird Hostel, your tranquil escape in the vibrant city of Bangkok. Discover more about this serene retreat and secure your stay by scanning the QR code on your screen or reading the description below. This charming hostel, a true haven of peace, offers a unique experience, blending modern comfort with a calming ambience. Imagine arriving at this boutique sanctuary, where just 4 exquisitely appointed rooms ensure an intimate and personalized experience. Each room is a tastefully decorated space, a contemporary haven designed to envelop you in a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Despite its serene atmosphere, Kamin Bird Hostel enjoys a remarkably convenient location. The bustling city center is a mere 7 kilometers away, and the airport is a swift 30-minute drive, making exploration effortless. Imagine stepping into the hostel's lush garden oasis, a true sanctuary away from the city's pulse. Here, you'll find respite and rejuvenation in the heart of Bangkok. The hostel, while intimate, is designed with meticulous attention to detail, making it ideal for solo travelers or small groups seeking a tranquil yet connected experience. Check-in starts at 1 p.m., allowing you to settle in at your leisure, and check-out is until 11 a.m., giving you ample time for a leisurely morning. Enjoy complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the hostel, ensuring you stay connected. Embrace the tranquility and convenience of Kamin Bird Hostel in Bangkok. Reserve your room now. Don't forget to scan the QR code to book your stay and create unforgettable memories.